Ever wondered how a simple, natural tonic could transform your health? Well, today I'm exploring a potent combination of garlic, lemon, avocado oil, moringa and honey. This powerful mix doesn't just taste great, it packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Avocado oil, often hailed as the healthiest and best cooking oil, is a treasure trove of medicinal properties and has been granted prescription drug status in France for its proven efficacy in combating arthritis. Rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, it protects your heart and helps maintain a balance in cholesterol, sugar levels and blood pressure. Its antioxidants, vitamins and minerals work together to promote overall health and well-being. Garlic, a staple in kitchens worldwide, is a powerhouse of immune-boosting properties. Its secret weapon is allicin, a compound that boosts the immune system's ability to fight off infections. But that's not all. Garlic also helps lower blood sugar levels, improves blood circulation, and supports a healthy gut. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content, are fantastic for boosting immunity. They stimulate collagen production, which gives us radiant, glowing skin. Plus, lemons offer a whole host of other nutrients, including thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Now, let's turn our attention to a superfood that's gaining recognition worldwide: Moringa. This plant is a nutrient-dense powerhouse, and consuming just 1 teaspoon of moringa powder can significantly boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals. With 8% of your recommended daily amount of magnesium, moringa helps to maintain normal nerve and muscle function, supports a healthy immune system and keeps the heartbeat steady. Moreover, it's loaded with B vitamins, including 19% of your recommended daily amount of B6, which is vital for brain development and function. Moringa doesn't stop there. With 11% of your recommended daily amount of iron, it helps in the production of red blood cells and transportation of oxygen in the body. It also contains a good amount of vitamin A, which is crucial for normal vision, the immune system, and reproduction. Not to mention, it's packed with calcium, phosphorus and zinc, making it a natural multivitamin. But the wonders of moringa extend beyond its mineral content. It boasts 18 different types of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. These amino acids support various bodily functions, including building muscle and regulating the immune response. Moringa is also known to support the nervous system, reducing the frequency of migraines and regular headaches. It aids in detoxification, enhances sex drive, balances hormones, and promotes healthy digestion. Athletes might find moringa particularly beneficial as it supports athletic performance. In a nutshell, moringa is a superfood that can significantly enhance your health and boost your immunity. So let's add this powerful ingredient to our immune-boosting tonic. Honey, a natural antibacterial and antiseptic, is good for your blood and aids digestion. It's the sweet finish to this comprehensive health and beauty package. Keep watching as I will reveal the ingredients list and a step-by-step preparation instruction of how to create this powerful immune-boosting tonic. But first, I want you to complete a simple but very important task. It will take only just a few seconds of your time. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device, and on it, you'll see a thumbs up symbol. Click on it. Though it might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. By clicking on it, not only are you showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video, but you're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Then, once this video has ended, and you've absorbed all the information it has to offer, what then? Well, don't keep it to yourself. The power of knowledge is in its distribution and in its sharing. I urge you to share this video across your social networks, through your emails, and on all other platforms. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now, you might be asking, is that all? Not at all. There's another step you need to take to stay updated with all the informative videos that I am posting. Look out for the subscribe button. By clicking on it, you're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. But don't stop at subscribing, there's more. Notice the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That's the notification bell. Click on it and then select all. By doing this, you are ensuring that you never miss out on any new videos that are posted. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this video from your television, you need to perform all these actions from your mobile phone or your computer. You may now wonder, why should I subscribe? The answer is straightforward. Subscribing to my channel doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, you will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, but I also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, this channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs that tells us when something is off balance. By being a part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs, to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. Now, it's not just about me talking. I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions and queries all enrich this platform. They help me to understand your needs better and give me an idea of how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So don't hesitate, make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So, are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. To create this ultimate immune-boosting tonic, you will need half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder, and 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Using a glass or cup, start by dissolving the garlic and Moringa powder using the avocado oil. Then add the water followed by the honey. Mix until the honey is completely dissolved. Then add the lemon juice, give it a stir and enjoy. You can drink this powerful immune-boosting tonic every morning about half an hour before breakfast. So, why not give this tonic a try? It's a simple, natural way to boost your health and well-being, and thank you so much for joining me on this enlightening journey. Your time and interest are greatly appreciated. It's been a pleasure sharing this health and wellness adventure with you. I encourage you to share your thoughts, experiences and feedback in the comments section below. Remember, by sharing this video with your loved ones, you could inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's important to note that the information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It's not meant to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Everyone has unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, so it's vital to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health. What works for one person may not work for another. So work closely with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Consider this information as a starting point and stay tuned for my next video where we'll continue exploring health and wellness together. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy and keep learning.